What do y'all want to do first here if we have to graph this? So we have to find center. Did y'all when y'all were working through this, did y'all try to draw the picture first, or did y'all write information down first?
Information first.
Okay, so let's do that. So my center is going to be what? Is it what, -4, 2?
Yes. No.
Okay, be careful here. I'll be honest, I made this mistake the first time I was writing out a key for this and I made this mistake. What did I do? What's wrong here? It's flipped, so remember it's X and then Y, right? Be very careful there because here the order is different, right? So it's not -4, 2, it's actually what? 2 -4. Why did I not put -2 and 4?
Because the Y is...
Yeah, so we say because it's in the parentheses, right? Technically, we always do the opposite with that. So we're going to say 2 -4. Okay? So now, what is A squared? What is B squared? 4. How would I find C squared? You subtract them. Lying. No, we add them. Very good, very good. What tells me that I have to add them? Yeah, so remember, if this is negative, this has to be positive. So this is 16 plus 4. I know it's very exciting. You're not allowed to yawn while I'm recording. Which gives me what? 20? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then how do I finish this off? How to figure out what C is? Square root.
Do we have to simplify?
Yeah, so the question is, do we have to simplify? I would, okay? This should be very easy to simplify because you know what times what is 20? 4 times 5, which gives me the square root of the quattro, times the square root of 5 is equal to C. So that's what?
5.
2 square root 5 is C. Is that cool? Okay, so now I can fit in here 2 square root. I lied. I messed up. So this is actually 20. And then so C, let me just put them all down here. So A is 4, B is 2, and C, don't die on me, C is 2 square root 5. Thank you. Okay. By the way, I have a question. How did you know that A is 4 and B is 2?
Because A is always
It's the square root, right? So the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Awesome. Okay. What do y'all want to do next? We have A, B, and C. Or do y'all want to graph maybe at this point? Or do y'all? I think graphing would be useful here, right? So let's try to graph this. So that's a line going straight down. Let's see how good I can make this. There's another one. Okay, so from above, we realize that the center is what?
2
So I'm going to go 2, here's 2, and then I go down 1, 2, 3, 4. There's -4. There's my center. Okay, now what do I want to do?
You want to graph your A and B.
Okay, so A is going to be 4, so what do I do? Go to the right 4, go to the left 4?
To the up.
Okay, what tells me in this problem that I don't go left and right? Rather, I go up and down. So in the beginning, right, it's Y. So we know we have to go up and down. So I go up 4, and then I go down 2, 3, 4. So, what about with the X?
You go to the right 2.
Yeah, so it's B, so we go to the right 2, to the left 2. Okay? And then we make our little box. So, Okay. Then we make the asymptote, right? I know. I should quit everything and be an artist, huh? Right. You can see even with the lines and the graphs, I still struggle. Okay. So you're a wonderful human being. Okay. So keep lying. All right. So let's go. I'm going to go with green. Okay. So when I draw the graph, do I go up or down or left and right? These are part of the vertical hyperbolas, right? This is their gang sign. Vertical hyperbolas. Okay. So that probably will do me in. All right, so there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
For these, you just draw like poles.
Yeah. No, there's like you're seeing me very casually draw this out. So yes, you can do that as well. I'm not asking you to be super specific. Is anybody looking at this confused? Outside of the fact that my artistic talent is horrendous, am I confused? We're okay? Making sense? Okay. Okay, good. We're not done yet, right? We still got to find the C value, right? So we have to use C to find the foci. Okay? So C is equal to 2 square root 5, right? So my center is 2, -4. So let me write foci. If the center is 2, -4, am I going to add the C value to X or to Y? Sorry. We got to add it to Y. Not to sound redundant, but why? Because it's vertical, right? So all you're going to do is you're going to take these values and we're going to just add plus or minus, what was it, 2 square root 5? To that.
Is this number 7?
Yes.
Do you want us to graph both sides or not?
Well, let's try to estimate what it is. So let's go back to square root 20, right? Square root 20 is between what two perfect square roots? 16 and 25, right? So 20 is almost in the middle, right? So we have 2 minus 4 plus, well, square root 16 is 4, so roughly 4.5-ish, right? So this gives me roughly 2 comma what? Negative 0.5-ish. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing for the other one. We go -4 minus 4.5-ish. And that'll get me roughly 2 comma negative 8.5-ish.
Do we have to graph them?
I think it's good practice. So
It'll be on our test that we have to graph them.
yes. Yeah, I know. So 2 negative 0.5. So let me do this. What color do you guys want me to do this in? I don't want to do it in green because green is the hyperbola. I don't want to do it in purple because that's the asymptote.
Gray.
Y'all are saying aqua?
Yellow.
Let's do aqua. Okay, so I said what? 2 comma negative 0.5. So 2 comma negative 0.5 would be. Is that right? Oh yeah. Thank you. That should be a plus. Thank you. So that would be positive 0.5. How did I know that I was making a mistake?
Because it has to be above the vertex.
Correct. It has to be inside the hyperbola, right? So that's why I was looking. I was like, right?
So smart.
Not really, but thank you for lying. Keep it up. And then the other one's negative 8.5, right? So that would be. And this kind of makes sense as well, right? Because it's roughly 0.5 more away, right? So both of them are roughly 0.5 more away. Okay? Are we feeling okay with this?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Is there anything else that I need to calculate here?
Your asymptote.
Okay, so our asymptote. Well, do we need the vertices? Does it ask you to calculate the vertices?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's write out what the vertices are. What color do you guys want me to do the vertices in? Okay. Did you guys know there's no word that rhymes with orange? So what's this point here? 2, comma. Okay. This one you have to say really artificially excited. This one's what? Artificially excited, though.
2, 0.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay?
Orange is the only color you can take.
I'm done. I'm done. There's nothing more I can give you. I want to leave y'all. I'm the greatest person ever.
Oh, yay.
Okay, sorry. All right. Some of y'all were very excited when I started to walk out, huh? Okay, I mean, I would never walk out of a class. Okay, so what else do I need here? Huh? Oh, sorry. Okay, so we need the slope of the asymptote, right? What color would you guys want me to do this in?
Purple.
Brown. Yellow.
I'm going with purple.
Wait, what's up? No.
This is disgusting.
Slope of asymptote.
What is yellow?
This is vertical.
I don't want to use yellow because you can't see it very well. Okay.
We don't have yellow.
Okay. So the slope of the asymptote, looking at the picture, we said we like the way the picture looks to find it, right? It's a lot easier. So based off the picture, the slope of the asymptote is what?
Plus or minus 1.
So start with the center. We went up how much? 4, and I went to the right how much?
2.
2. How do I, if we wanted to confirm, it's dealing with A and B, right? Yeah, okay. So we can say the slope is 4 over 2, but y'all are fancy and you guys want to say what? Plus or minus, but you actually even want to do what? Simplify, so the slope is plus or minus 2. Yes, that's fine to reduce. Yeah.
So if it's like 2 or 4, you can still simplify to 1.
Yeah. Okay? Am I missing anything else? Okay. We're good?
Yeah, we're good.
If you're confused, please speak up. I need to make sure you guys are okay. Awesome? Okay.